Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. In this series of tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use WebPack and why it's important in your JavaScript projects. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. First of all, what is Webpack? Webpack is just a JavaScript module bundler. So it bundles all of your JavaScript files and add them only into one JavaScript bundle, and the code is going to work. So why would we want to use it? Well, because maybe you have a lot of JavaScript files in your project, and instead of just organizing them and ordering them, you can simply use Webpack and it's gonna get the job done for you. And also, one important thing that Webpack does is that it will make the import and the export keywords work in your browser. Also, the require keyword doesn't work in your browser, and Webpack will make it work. And Webpack provides a lot of advantages, and I'm going to show you all of these advantages. So let's get started. First of all, I have here a simple project, a simple JavaScript project, a folder called Webpack example, and I have only two files. I have the index.html, and I also have the source index.js, the JavaScript file. So the first thing that I need to do is that I'm gonna first create the package JSON file. Therefore, I'm gonna type npm and then init. By the way, you need to have installed npm nodejs in your PC or Mac, and I have a tutorial that shows you how you can do that. You can go back to my channel and you will find that tutorial where I show you how you can install nodejs. And then here -y and then hit enter. And this is going to create a simple package JSON, which is very important because we want to know which packages that we have installed and all of that good stuff, and also the name of the project, the version, all of that good stuff. And the next step is that we need to install jQuery. And the reason why I'm gonna install jQuery is because I want to show you the difference between running your project with Webpack and without Webpack. So let me first install jQuery. So here npm and then I for install and then jQuery. And then hit enter. And this is going to install jQuery. And to make sure that jQuery has been installed successfully, in your package.json, in the dependency, you should find jQuery and the version. And also in the node modules, you should find a folder called jQuery. That way, you will make sure that jQuery has been installed successfully. So this is the first step. Next, what I want to show you is that would jQuery work if I use it or not? So in the index.js, let's create a variable here, var, and then let's name it $. And it's going to be equal to require. And what we want to require, we want to use the jQuery. Therefore here, I'm going to pass jQuery. And next, I'm going to just run a jQuery function upon reloading or loading the page. So I'm going to use jQuery and then document, and then ready. If the page is ready, we just want to run a simple function to test if jQuery is working or not. So I'm going to just display a pop-up window that says jQuery is working. jQuery is working. That's it. Let me now save, and in the index.html, obviously we want to make reference to this index.js. So here I'm gonna create a simple script. The source is gonna be equal, here source is gonna be equal to the source / index.js. So let's now save everything and head on over to the browser to test. In the browser, we have this file, the index.html, which is this index.html. Let me refresh and see if jQuery is going to work or not. As you can see, I keep refreshing, but nothing is happening because jQuery isn't working. And let's check the error in the console. So I'm going to click on inspect and check the error in the console. And as you can see here, it says uncaught reference error, require isn't defined. So it doesn't know what is the meaning of require here. It doesn't know that. And here's where Webpack comes in handy. By using Webpack, you will be able to make this require work in your browser. It will work in your browser if you use Webpack. Therefore, let's install Webpack. So in order to install Webpack, first of all, in the Webpack documentations, if you click on documentation, and then you click on here guides, and then click on getting started, it's going to give you the command that you need in order to install Webpack and the Webpack CLI, which is this. Let's copy it. And in our project, I'm going to just paste it here. Here you need to paste it. And make sure that you save this package, the Webpack package, as a dev, because we want it to be stored in the dev dependency, not the production. Therefore, make sure that you have this and then hit enter. And this is going to install Webpack. By the way, it's going to take some time, about 3 to 5 minutes, so be patient. So now Webpack has been installed successfully, and to check that, you can head on over to package.json, and you will find that we have here Webpack and Webpack CLI in the dev dependencies. And also in the node modules, you should find that we have a new folder called Webpack. Here, as you can see, we have, if you scroll in the bottom, you will find that we have Webpack and Webpack CLI. So Webpack has been successfully installed. Let's